project is made by Kashyap and Mihir. Together we have managed to create an autonomous solar-powered lawn mower. This lawn mower saves manual energy and electrical energy.
When I was in my friend's house, I had seen a lawnmower in their backyard. After seeing them operate it, I realized along with a lawnmower comes great energy loss.
We decided to make our own lawnmower, which can cut grass and save energy while doing it. We had decided to make a solar-powered lawnmower, as it had met all our criteria. After a lot of tinkering to an autonomous navigation robot, we had finally achieved it. We had made a lawnmower which saved considerable amounts of energy while still cutting grass like any other lawnmower.
We aim to build a lawnmower which is cheaper than a regular lawnmower as it runs by an Arduino Uno. Our lawnmower can also be expanded to do other tasks easily by tech-savvy people. We also aim to make lawnmowers completely solar power dependent.
The servo spins the ultrasonic sensor, allowing the sensor to see 180 degrees. The output from the sensor is used to decide in which direction the robot should move. The blade is controlled by a potentiometer. Each motor has a wheel attached to it to allow the robot to move. The solar panel charges the power supply.
Unfortunately, the robot we have made is not the finished product. It's only the prototype. Its body is uncovered and is vulnerable to rain and other natural phenomena.
Most automatic lawnmowers are extremely costly. However, this lawnmower is eco-friendly and affordable.
Solar-powered lawn mowers usually run out of charge before being able to fully trim the lawn. However, this problem is avoided by using higher capacity batteries and larger solar panels. Multiple batteries are used in case one ever runs out of charge.
In some cases, the boundary wire by which the lawnmower understands its boundaries is torn apart, causing the lawnmower to malfunction. Our lawnmower does not use a boundary wire and uses an ultrasonic sensor instead. In the future, other sensors, such as the LiDAR sensor, can also be added to provide greater sense of the environment.
Our robot can turn really tight corners by slowly wiggling itself. Its high maneuverability allows it to cut the grass without missing spots. This is incredibly important as an uneven lawn looks horrible.
A video demonstrating the live use of our robot is going to be played shortly.